Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And today I'm going to show you how to make a one balloon monkey. Hopefully you can see it a bit better there. All the details sort of in the head. After that's pretty easy to do. And give them a couple of nice little paws, that's a nice little feature. And give him that sort of waggly, sort of curly tail, which is dead easy to do. So let's get started. So you'll need a single balloon. Now ideally, again, if you've got a brown 260, I would use that colour. I'm running a bit low on brown 260, so I'm going to use this sort of crimsony 260. And for the start, you start in the same way like you're doing a frog. So you're going to do a flower petal at the beginning, looks like that. I'm just going to push the knot through one so it doesn't come undone. And here's the tricky bit. So you want to keep this balloon super soft. Give it a really good squeeze before you do this bit. So you're going to do a couple of pinch twists here. So I'm going to do a one finger bubble. I'm going to do about a 3-finger bubble here. Now I'm going to do another 1-finger bubble. That's what you should have. I'm going to take this 1-finger bubble and do a pinch twist. I'm going to lift, just twist it a couple of times. I'm going to do the same with this 1-finger bubble. Lift, twist a couple of times. And now this is the difficult bit. If your balloon's going to pop, it usually goes here. You're going to take the twist that you've made here, this twist that you've just done, and twist it into the other pinch twist on the opposite side. Just be confident. Just twist it a couple of times, and there you go, you've got the head of the monkey. So that takes a little bit of confidence, a little bit of practice. You might put 1 or 2 balloons. You will get it. It's just a matter of confidence. So the rest is pretty much like a dog body with sort of 1 or 2 twists. So do a really small 1-finger bubble, just like that. And I'm going to do the front legs with sort of a 1-finger bubble at the end of each. Sort of little paws for the monkey. So about 3-4 fingers for, about a 4-finger bubble for the front legs. A 1-finger bubble followed by another 1-finger bubble followed by a 4-finger bubble. So that's what you should have. You're going to twist this into the back of the neck here, where I'm just pinching it with my fingers. And this is useful to have if you want to put the monkey sort of in a tree. You've got a nice gap there that you can sort of use to sit it on the tree with. And I've got a video for that. I'll probably put that on the link just above my head if you want to check that one out. So about 3 fingers for the body. And you should maybe have a little bit, plenty left. The balloon shouldn't be getting tight now. And then another 3-finger bubble, followed by another 3-finger bubble. Twist those into the back of the body. Now, my tail, ideally, would be better if it was a bit longer. Give it a squeeze and make a sort of S shape. So it's got a bit of shape. That's not the best tail for a monkey. If we look at the first one that I did, that's more the length that you want for a monkey tail. But there you go. Now, do the artwork. And I've got to say, a monkey is probably one of my favourite designs. Big smile. I'll have the tongue lolling out as well. And there is your fabulous 1 balloon monkey. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Hit me up with a like. Hit that subscribe button. That's the best way that you can show that you like this channel. It's the best way of supporting me, and it's the biggest thank you that you can give. So do that. It only takes a moment. There you go. You've had your moment. Do it in a click of the fingers. So until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye-bye.